Hey, welcome to Barbecue Bill. Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a cold Saturday in Arkansas, and we're going to do a two-bone rib roast today. So just warming up for the holidays. So when we have family coming in, we're going to get a bigger one and we're going to really do it upright. But today's practice, so it's going to be a lot of fun putting this together. We're going to do it on the smoker and then likely finish it off on the gas grill for searing. So I'll take you through each step as we go as in this process. The butcher did a good job um, trimming this two-bone rib roast, and notice that he did separate the bone from the meat, so I can actually season down in here, and then I will actually tie it back up when I'm ready to cook it. So boom, boom. The surface fat off. Prime rib has so much intramuscular fat that it really cooks well and stays juicy. So we'll take just some of this off so the seasoning can penetrate into the meat. Actually, this is looking pretty good here. I'm going to use a little salt, pepper, garlic to start with. Let that soak in. And then I'm going to use some Traeger prime rib rub to get a good bark on the outside. This lovely rib roast is going to sit and absorb all that wonderful seasoning. And I've got the charcoal started out there. We're going to go take a look at that real quick because it's getting ready to be put into the smoker. And here we go. We've got the charcoal heating up in the chimney. And then we'll be dumping that into the smoker behind it. We'll be using hickory wood today to smoke the rib roast. Charcoal is ready to go. We're going to fire some hickory wood into this, get some smoke going. And I think we're going to load the meat. We're going to get our au juice drip pan in with some water. A little bit of Worcestershire. And I'm going to try some Dr. Pepper and cream soda mixture. Let's try that in there today. Splash of bourbon. A little more water. And we're going to put this into the smoker. Okay, drip pan is in. Fire is going. I'm going to calm that flame down a little bit. I got a thermometer into the center of that meat. Keep track of it. Going to get it up to 125 or so before we pull it out. So with traditional smokers, you almost have to let them have their way and try to adjust as best you can with the air vents We're running, this is running about 250 right now. So you see the air vents on the side, I got them barely cracked, and then one at the top of the chimney. So it's probably going to run at about 250, maybe we can get it up 260, we'll see. But that's about what we can do today on this very cold day. And we'll keep track of it, how long we have to go, and we'll periodically then need to add a little bit more out here today. And so we're going to see how this cook goes, and we are ready to get this prime rib onto the smoker. And here is the ribeye roast, and it's pulled out of the smoker at about 125 degrees, and we're going to let it rest and then chow down. And to recap our cook today, this is BBQ Bill. We did a 2-bone ribeye roast, and all finished now. And to what we did was trim the meat just a little bit, and then season, and then move the roast over to a smoker, which we cooked at about 250 degrees for a little over 2 hours. And with that, we cooked the internal temperature up to 125 degrees and took the roast off and wrapped it in foil. And so we're letting it rest right now to preserve the juices. On the smoker, it was heated with charcoal and hickory wood. So in the next scene, we're going to see how we did as far as doneness and tenderness, and we'll go. We're ready to dive into this 2-bone ribeye roast. So I'm going to cut down through the bone to start with my slicing knife. And that came off nice and easy. And I'll bet you anybody would like to have that, to eat that meat right off of the bone. I'm going to save that. That's the butcher's choice. Okay, let's slice this. And off we go. Yum, yum, yum. The further we go into this, the more medium rare we're getting, and the more exterior towards the bark area, a little bit more medium. So I think we turned out really well here. We got some slices off of that, and now it's time for a taste test. So I'm going to take one of the exterior piece, slice through a piece of the spinalis, and we'll take a bite. I can taste the hickory smoke, but the meat shines through. It's the superstar of this cook.